I'm Josh Bishop, and today we're going to learn more about a few of Omron Automation and Safety's harsh environment sensors and switches. I have here an A22NE-P series emergency stop switch, a D40R series RFID-based door switch, and an E3ZM photoelectric sensor. These are all designed specifically for harsh environments where water abounds. They're all IP69K rated and can withstand high-temperature water jets for cleaning, typical conditions in the food and beverage industry. This emergency stop button is a push-pull, double-pull, single-throw button with this rubber cover as the first line of defense against water intrusion. There are lighted and non-lighted options, with this being an example of a non-lighted button. The actual switch blocks are here in the back, and as this is a double pull, there are two switches here that can be easily removed. When they're removed, you can see the actuation as I push the button in and out, which is how it physically functions. Putting the switch blocks back on is as simple as click in place. As this is panel mounted, you can remove this back portion by gently pushing in with a screwdriver here to disengage the lock, twisting to the left until you hear a small click and it comes undone. You pull it apart, put this portion through the mounting hole, screw on the locking nut, and click the base back into position, and you're ready to go. This normally closed emergency stop is able to handle up to 120 volts and 10 amps AC, or 24 volts, 8 amps DC. It's tough mechanically, working in -20 to +70 degrees Celsius and boasting 300,000 mechanical and electrical cycles. The E3ZM compact photoelectric sensor here uses an IR LED and high-quality material for all of the internal and external parts to give it 200 times the durability of the E3Z, making it suitable for the harsh conditions of cleaning and food processing machinery. It's shaped specifically so that it collects less dust and water, making it even more hygienic. This series has several options for different sensing distances, allowing you to choose between 100, 150, and 200 millimeters with adjustable sensitivity. The narrow infrared beam eliminates issues that come when the sensor is wet, keeping the sensor focused on the intended target. This only uses 25 milliamps and can be operated in conditions from -25 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees. The D40R series has a range of different RFID-based switches ideal for monitoring the status of guarding doors. They are all solid state, and the non-contact RFID communication means that there is no mechanical wear to worry about, giving a long operation life. They operate with all Omron safety controllers and even work behind stainless steel fittings. This resin body is what gives it the IP69K rating and is resistant to most chemicals used for clean in-place processes. While there are excellent Hall effect sensors available, they can be defeated with some careful handiwork. The RFID-based sensors, however, are coded, so they aren't just detecting a magnetic field, they're looking for a specific code which makes them extremely difficult to defeat. There are two options: the basic coding option, which can be defeated with an actuator that has been retaught to be paired with the sensor, with the basic options only being able to be faked out by another actuator, and the unique coding option, which pairs each sensor and actuator with a unique code that cannot be retaught. There are about 32 million different codes, so it's nearly impossible to defeat. These are just 3 of Omron's harsh environment safety sensors and switches. If you'd like to see more of the options they have available, or to learn more about and purchase these parts, go to e-sonic.com.